Alright, today what we're going to do is on the 2025 Chevy Trailblazer LT is do one side of the reverse bulbs replacement. We'll just do one side. They're both identical, so we'll do the passenger side. Just go ahead and hit your thing up here. What we're going to do is, you see the small plastic cover right there. It's hard to see. There you go. I'm trying to do this in the daytime. Right there, you see right here where this little notch is? Basically what you can do is just put that in there and pop it out. I'm gonna go ahead and press pause and do that because I need two hands to do that. All right, as you can see, it's popped off. Exposes the opening here. Let's see if we can get under here. So what you want to do is, first step is right there, you see the little red clip right there. All right, the red clip right there. What you can do is you can get a screwdriver, flathead, and you're gonna press it out. Boom. See how that moved out? Then what you can do is get your finger in here. You can press down on the harness. It's a little pain in the butt right there. All right, there, and pull out. So you press right here, and it'll pop right out. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna go right here. You see those two nuts right there with the studs? You're gonna have to back those out. It's an 8mm short socket, and then the light housing will come out. We'll go ahead and do that, and then I'll show you after that. All right, as you can see here, we backed out both of the nuts. There's my 8mm quarter. That's what I used to get it out. Now what you do is pull the hatch down, and this should just pop right out. What you want to do is up. Let's see if I can do it with one hand. Unfortunately, I can't do it with one hand, so I'm going to pause and do it with two hands. All right, let's try this again. I got it loose, so you just pop out and pulls right out. All right, here we go. We got it out. One thing you do have to do is there's a little Phillips screw right here. You need to get that out so you can get both of the sockets turned out. Just like that. And I'll be back in a second with it out. All right, so you see you got the screw backed out. Now the harness, you just make sure this doesn't fall out. And then what you do is just turn that way, turn that way, and they both come out. And then there's your reverse, would be the smaller bulb. Go ahead and just pull that out. Let's see if I one-hand it. There we go, one-handed it, comes out. Then we're gonna go ahead and throw the last fit LEDs into the socket. Sorry, like so. Should be able to just press right in. Like so. There you go. And just reverse. You gotta get, oops, sorry. You gotta get both of these in here. And I'll go ahead and spin these in and put the nut back here, the screw back here with the Phillips head, and just we'll show you how to do the reinstall. All right, so we're back. You can see reverse. You can see the LED in there, and then basically you just do the same as in same install as reinstall. Slides over, put it in, clip everything back, tighten those 8mm nuts, and you're good to go. I'll go ahead and do that, then show you after. All right, so we're back again. So you can see the lights back in. It slides in. On the install on the light, you kind of have to put this end, slide it in, then push down that way. That helps it get in there. And then you can see I got the 2 nuts back in, and I'll show you how to do the clip. Goes like this, in, and then you just push the red tab forward. There you go. Put the black cover back on and repeat on the other side, and you're good to go. All right, so before I do the other side, I want to show you the difference. Here's the OEM. It's like a yellowish. And then here's the new LED. It's really bright white. So it'll help you see at night with your reverse camera. One trick that I want to add at the end of the video is make sure when you use your socket on the nut that comes out like that, you keep your socket on the nut until it backs all the way out. I accidentally dropped one nut into the hatch and it cost me like 30 minutes of prying plastic covers off. So make sure you keep your socket on the nut and back it all the way out. Thanks for watching. And as you can see, here's the final result. Bright white LEDs for your reverse to get rid of those yellowish OEM bulbs.